in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Caldwell County, southeastern Travis County, Bastrop County, northeastern Gonzales County, northwestern Lee County, southwestern Fayette County, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Austin-Bergstrom International Airport to near Palmetto State Park, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Austin, Lockhart, Elgin, Bastrop, Luling, Smithville, Austin-Bergstrom International Airport, Wilder, Mustang Ridge, Niederwald, Camp Swift, Circle D KC Estates, Cedar Creek, Rosanke, Page, Muldoon, Cistern, Wildwood, Palmetto State Park, and Hornsby Bend. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.